Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to put video in your side notes on your Instagram app on your phone. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store on your phone, search for Instagram, and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version so all parts of this video works properly. Once that is done, click on Open. And once Instagram's open, make sure you're in the home section of Instagram and then click into your messages. And then here is where you see everyone's notes, who you follow, and even your own. So to create a video note, click on to note, and then you'll see a blue camera icon there. It's as simple as clicking that to take a video or a photo for your new note, and you can give the note a name. So I'm just going to do test, for example. And yeah, that's how you put a video on notes inside your Instagram app. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it, and it helps us out a lot.